Hi, everybody. I'm Josh Jelinski, the financial quarterback and author of the new book that can be found on Amazon or Barnes & Noble called The Retirement Reality Check. In the book, The Retirement Reality Check, I give you 11 ways to potentially lower your taxes. Tip number 10, that's right, number 10, we're almost done with all the 11 tips in the book. Tip number 10, and it's a powerful one, it's to manage your RMD. You may not even know what an RMD is. It's called a required minimum distribution. So when you do a 401k or IRA, you get to grow that money tax deferred or tax-free from, let's say you start out at 25 all the way to 70. But guess what? When you turn 70 and a half, you have to take money out of your IRA and pay taxes at your ordinary income rate. Now, when you're older, you may not have a mortgage interest deduction. You hopefully don't have a child deduction any longer. So you have very little deductions when you're 70 and a half. So a lot of my retired clients, they don't like getting their RMD because they have to pay all this tax on this. So one of the tips is to manage your RMD by taking it early. Maybe you take it from 60 to 70. You pay a little tax now and you take that money and you convert it to a Roth, or you redivert that RMD money to life insurance. You can't take an RMD and put it into a Roth. Many people don't realize that. But you can take an RMD and buy life insurance with it that grows tax deferred and can be pulled out tax free. And you can leave that money to your kids income tax free, both state and federal, with a Roth or life insurance. So consider tip number 10, managing your RMD wisely. And that can be found in my new book, The Retirement Reality Check. Buy it today. I'm Josh Jelinski, the financial quarterback.
The preceding program was sponsored by the Jelinski Advisory Group.
Any awards, rankings, or recognition by unaffiliated third parties or publications, including 5-Star Wealth Manager, Advisory of the Year finalist by Senior Market Advisor, and Top of the $1 Million Roundtable, are in no way indicative of the advisor's future performance or any individual client's investment success. No award, ranking, or recognition should be construed as a current or past endorsement of Josh Jelinski or Wealth Quarterback LLC. Information regarding specific awards, rankings, or recognitions is available on the Wealth Quarterback website at www.jelinski.org. All investment strategies have the potential for profit or loss. Investment strategies such as asset allocation, diversification, or rebalancing do not assure or guarantee better performance and cannot eliminate the risk of investment losses. There are no guarantees that a portfolio employing these or any other strategy will outperform a portfolio that does not engage in such strategies. This broadcast should not be construed by any client or prospective client as a solicitation to effect or attempt to effect transactions in securities or the rendering of personalized investment advice. Due to various factors, including changing market conditions, the information discussed in this broadcast may no longer be reflective of current positions or recommendations. While information presented is believed to be factual and up to date, Josh Jelinski and Wealth Quarterback do not guarantee its accuracy, and it should not be regarded as a complete analysis of the subjects discussed. The tax and estate planning information discussed is general in nature, is provided for informational purposes only, and should not be construed as legal or tax advice. Listeners should consult an attorney or tax professional regarding their specific legal or tax situation. Advisory services offered through Wealth Quarterback LLC